Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome back to Apple Tech Review. So today we are talking about MI Wi-Fi amplifier. So we can call it Wi-Fi extender. We can use it in different ways. Either if you have Wi-Fi at home and it's not reaching in certain areas, you can use it to extend it from one room to another room, or from one building to another building. As you know that the MI has different devices, phones, and the other things regarding the phone. So let's go ahead and we see what it can do and how can you connect it to different devices. For example, you have bought it, or you want to change it from one device to another device. You have tried to change it, it's not working. Let's go ahead and watch the steps. So guys, now once you get this one and you want to connect it, the first thing you have to do, you have to first plug it into the power. So let's start with that. We plug it into the power, then so that is step number one. As you can see, I've plugged, but once you check from here, you see the light here, the LED is in orange color. So what you need to do first, you need to reset it. How do you reset it? You have to use a pin, is a button here. You press it. After pressing it, this LED will go off for a few seconds. As you can see, now it is off. Again, it is on. Now from there, you need to, before that, you have to make sure you download the app. The app is called Xiaomi. So you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. You type in Xiaomi Home. You can see Xiaomi comes like this. This is the app. Click on download. Then after you open it, once you open it, it will request you to create an account. You understand, guys? You need to create an account first. But for me, I've already created an account. App. You have to make sure you open an account. This is my account so far. You have to use your email. You create an account. Then after, you click on this button here, this one here. You click on it, then it will request you to add a device. After clicking there, you scroll down slowly. You will see routers. We have Wi-Fi amplifiers and gateway. Click on Wi-Fi amplifiers. After that, this is the device here, MI Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro. Click on it. Yes, once you click on it, it will request you to reset your device as we have done before. If you haven't done it, then reset it. Come to here, select Wi-Fi. Now you have to first look for the Wi-Fi type that you want from the Wi-Fi that you have at home, the Wi-Fi network. Select one of them, then put its password here. Now this is my password right now. This is my Wi-Fi. Then click OK. Then click on connect to Wi-Fi device. This is it, Xiaomi repeater. Then click on it. You wait for it to connect. After connecting, then you go back and open the app Xiaomi Home. It will immediately connect the device to the network. Then you have to take caution. You have to make sure that the amplifier is close to to the router. If it is not crossed, then it is likely not to connect. You understand? Yeah, so guys, that's how we do it. Right now, by the time it reaches in 70%, meaning it has already connected. And to show you, let me show you what happens. The light here, the light changes from orange, guys, changes from orange to blue or sky blue. Yeah, so that is it. That is how we connect it, guys. So if you know you're interested, if you want to extend your Wi-Fi, that is how we do it. And if at all you know you want to you want a more strong network, you can use other big extenders, but this one can connect roughly 20 people to 50 people, depending on the speed of your network. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. Catch you in the next one. See you.